Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm here to explain you about smlmerch.com contest. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see they have mentioned that win a PlayStation 5 or signed Jeffy Puppet, find the hidden pencil and complete the quiz. So you need to complete the quiz and you can win puppets and PlayStation 5. They are claiming this thing. So let's check out the information about this website. Guys, it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including puppets like Jeffy Puppet, Hunky Cody Puppet, Phoebe Puppet, Puppet Roads 2, etc. and school bags, accessories and apparels including caps, Jeffy pajama pants, SML crew hoodie, SML tie-dye hoodie and various theme-based SML t-shirts, etc. And guys, the prices of these offerings are pretty high. Now let's check out the information related to payment. So let's check out the payment information, but guys, I'm not able to view any payment information available on the site, which is not a good sign. And let's talk about the shipping policy. So here you can find the shipping status, and they have mentioned that shipping is currently unavailable or delayed for several countries. And you can also scroll down to check out the list or affected countries organized by continent. So guys, this was the shipping policy of this website. And before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access and is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information, the domain name was created on 7th of September 2018. Guys, this is a very old website which shows that the website may be legit. Now let's check out the about us details of this website. So guys, no about us page is available on this website, which is not a good sign. And talking about contact details, let's check out the contact details. So guys, you can see this is the contact us page and they have not mentioned any contact details including official address and contact number and email address. But you can find the email address in the refund policy section, and you can also find out the address in FAQ section. So guys, this is not a good sign here, but yes, let's check out the mail. Here you can find the address. This is the address, and in return policy section, no guys, I'm not able to find the email of this company, which is not a good sign. They have already mentioned that you can contact the customer success team via contact page, but they have not provided any detail in the contact us page. This is not a good sign. And guys, talking about the social media presence, so you can see the site has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Yes guys, they have mentioned and they have registered the name on social media platforms through Super Mario Logan, and they have usually posted some videos, links, quizzes and post, and most of the customers are commenting on the post as well. So you can find the social media existence on these social media platforms, which is a good sign. And guys, talking about the trust index score, so the trust index score of the site is 86%, which is a good sign. And talking about return policy, let's check out the return policy of this website. So you need to visit the FAQ section again. So guys, this is the refund and return policy section, and they have mentioned that once an order has been shipped, we are unable to cancel or make any changes to your order. And same, they have mentioned that if your order is damaged or you received a faulty product, then you are eligible for either a refund or reshipment of your product. It will be 30 days of delivery. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about smlmerch.com contest reviews, we have found some reviews about this site on the internet that claims that the company is doing fake promises to offer the puppet to winners. And yes, some of the customers are satisfied with the offerings of this website. However, few customers are not satisfied. So guys, it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision while exploring this website at the best level. And yes, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.